This is a 43-inch TCL TV 2025 model QLED smart TV with Android Google TV built in. So stay tuned, we're going to unbox it and we're going to review it and go through it, and yeah, look how nice and thin that looks. Budget TV, is it any good? Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's TNN, and today we have got the brand new TCL 43-inch 4K QLED TV. Now this one's powered with Google TV and it's got QLED technology, which is quantum dot LED technology. Quantum dot is really good panels. They offer really bright screens, really bright, good display. The only drawback of quantum dot LED is that the blacks are really a dark grey compared to OLED TVs, where OLED TVs, the black is like really, really solid black. But the other thing about OLED is it's a lot thicker, whereas quantum dot LED TV, a little bit more thicker, and OLEDs are a lot more thinner. So that's the only difference really. But quantum LED TVs are a lot cheaper in price, and they also are well known to last a lot longer and be a lot brighter compared to OLED. So this is the TCL 43 P7K UK version, 43-inch QLED 4K Ultra HD TV, and this is the 2025 model. This brand new model, came out this month. It is a brand spanking new TCL TV, and we're going to go ahead and go straight into it. So we do have Dolby Vision, HDR10 and 120Hz game accelerator. So it's normally a 60Hz display on this, but it can up itself to 120Hz. We're going to go ahead and unbox it right now, so let's get straight into it really. We've got a few nice pictures over here. Yeah, it's compatible with Apple AirPlay, Apple Home, 4K, QLED, Hey Google. We've got Google TV, so that is the new Android TV system now. It's basically called Google TV. So Google no longer make their, well, it's the same thing, but it's not called Android TV anymore, it's called Google TV. Let's go ahead and let's get straight into this box. We've got a nice little arrow and some writing there that says this is the front, which is nice to know. And we've got some pictures here on how to open the box as well. So it does say, suggest 2 people to pull out the TV from here. But we'll try and do it on our own if we can. You might see me struggle, or might just cut straight to it. To be honest with you, I'm not going to show the setup just yet because I'm going to put it up on my wall and then set it up. But we do have everything else that we need in here. So over here is the actual power adapter. If we just take it off, you can see over here, UK 3-pin to these 2-pin power cables. Now these are well common on LED TVs. It's a very similar unboxing experience to the last TCL TV that we had a look at. I'll link that video down below in the description, but it's literally feels the exact same. We have got the remote control right here, and it looks just like the one we had before as well, the exact same remote control. Got nice buttons: Netflix, Prime Video, TCL channel, YouTube, TCL Home and Web. Google Assistant button right there for voice activation, power on, mute, and then just your normal numbers and volume. Very nice light control with really nice matte rubbery buttons. In the bag we also have the stand, which we're probably not going to use and set up because we're going to put this one straight on the wall hopefully. And it does come included with 2 TCL AAA batteries, which are really nice. And then we got what looks to be the warranty card and the user manual. Nice. Good to have all of this. What's left is probably going to be the TV, so let's see if we can take it out. Let's put it to the side. There it is. Oh. So I'm going to go and put this on the bed so that it's nice and safe. So we'll be right. So I've got it placed flat on my bed first, but you can see here the design change that they have done to try and make the TV as thin as possible. Instead of having a big bulky back or bottom, they've tried to do it all overall, so they spread it out and did this curvature sort of look and feel to it. Here are our ports over here. So we've got a USB 2.0 port, we've got a Ethernet LAN, we've got HDMI 1 4K, HDMI 2 4K, an antenna and cable input, a satellite input, a digital optical output, HDMI 3 4K, and a USB 3.0. So that's really nice to know that they have included a lot of ports, and especially if you're putting this TV up on the wall, they're quite easily accessible. And on the left hand side of the TV is where the AC input is, right there. So it just goes in straight on the side. And I have to say, on the back of this TV we've got some really good ventilation, so you can know that the TV will be nice and cool when you're using it. So I've gone ahead and put the TV up on the wall. Here we have the remote control. We'll go ahead and we'll power it on. And I have mounted it as thin as I could on the wall. And as you can see, it powers on super quick, super easy. And it is really snappy as well. So if you see here, the reaction time on the remote with the TV is really good. You got all your Google Play, Google TV layouts and settings over here, so you've got everything that you need with Google TV. Now when you do start it up, it does need a little bit of time just to get everything all set up, so do bear with it, but once it's all set up, it is really quick and snappy. You see over here, you've got your Wi-Fi, your channel inputs, you can change your display and sound settings. You will hear was on general settings, picture, screen setting adjust, sound adjust, audio output settings. So if you've seen the video I did before of the 2024 model, I believe it was, the TCL TV, that was a 43-inch as well. But this one, of course, is the 2025 model, and it's very similar. All I can say is it's a lot more snappier, and more reactive when you're pressing buttons. Like, it feels like the processor on this and the storage on this is a lot more for it to be more smoother. Which is definitely noticeable, I have to say, with the 2025 model. And the display on this one as well is QLED, which is really nice. And you can definitely see the quality on this as well. It's really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and put on something on YouTube, which is like a 4K video, hopefully copyright free, and then we can have a look at that. But the color is very nice. The light blue bit you see there is actually just lighting in my room. In real life and in person, you don't really see that. Same with the reflection of the spotlights you see here and here. It's coming up more on the camera, but in person, it is not like that at all. So let's go ahead and let's put something on. I'm sure you guys already know the whole Google Play layout anyway, but I mean, let me go through the preloaded apps. These are some of the preloaded apps that come on there. I've installed a hell of a lot of apps already on here, like YouTube, Apple TV, Netflix, Spotify, but it comes with some preloaded onto it. But you can go on the App Store and download almost anything you want. And then these are all like the TCL apps that come with it that I don't really need to use, but yeah, just keep it there. So let's go ahead and let's play something on YouTube. So here we've got a 4K video playing. This is really good. It's just a Earth video and it is in 4K and it's really nice. You can see all the details here, all the colors. It is really good. I mean, recording it and showing you on the phone and on video and on your laptop really doesn't put it what you can see in person. It is really nice. Like the whites, the blues, the colors are really bang on. They're super nice, vivid colors. The detail's really good, like the smoke here and the lava flame right here, it just looks really well detailed. If I turn the light off and then you can see it in the dark, see if that makes it a little bit better for you guys at home to see, but in person it is a lot better than what you're seeing on the phone. But it is very nice and the colours are very good. You can definitely say a difference here between the previous model from TCL compared to the latest 2025 model. Like the display is a lot nicer. So this is it with the room and all the lights off. I think you can see it a lot better now. I mean, if you look at the quality and the colours, like the colours of the trees there, the sky, the clouds, it really picks it up. Like where the sunlight hits it and where the shadow is, it really picks up these fine details really nice. And the colours on this panel are beautiful. Genuinely, I think they are really nice, and it's 100% a clear upgrade. And not to say that the previous models weren't good. The previous models, their TV were amazing as well. The display was so nice. But this, you can see a noticeable upgrade. And I have to say as well, the speaker system has also been upgraded. So if I can find some copyright-free music to play, I'll show you that as well. But the speakers are a hell of a lot louder on this TV now. So here we're playing some copyright-free music. And you can see we're only on volume 20 and it's still so loud, crisp and clear. And at 30 it's a lot louder. And this TV gets super loud. I mean, I normally keep it around 15 when I'm just watching TV, so it gets really loud. And when it's not just like it's loud, it's really crisp, it's really clear. The sound quality is shockingly good. It is really good. Now the TCL TV I reviewed before as well. I've put the link to that review down below in the description. But that one there as well, that one had really good speakers as well, and really good sound quality and really good video quality. But this one is just even better than that. So it's essentially the same TV, a little bit slimmer, better display panel, better audio, better clarity, and a lot faster and snapper and quicker. So I mean quicker? That's not even a word. Quicker. I mean quicker. But wow, yeah, this is great. This is unbelievable. This TV is really nice, and it's a great budget TV. The quality is so good. The display is so good. So if you are interested in purchasing this, I will put the link down below in the description. This wasn't a sponsored video. I didn't get paid for this. I bought this with my own money. I do that a lot on this channel. I try and buy so many tech products with my own money just so I can show you as well. So this TV here I bought with my own money. So I'd really appreciate it if you comment, like, and subscribe. And if you are interested in purchasing it, hit the link down below in the description. I think for the price and what you get, this TV is really good. And it gives it that clean look as well, because it comes with Android TV or Google TV built in. You don't have to have any box or anything, so it keeps it a lot cleaner look. And I can see I just put the power cable and I just feed it straight down, and it goes straight into the plug onto the floor. So a lot nicer, a lot cleaner look. You don't need any set-top boxes or an Android TV box or anything like that. It keeps it a lot cleaner when it's all built in. So yeah, this is the review of the TCL TV. This is the 2025 version, and as always, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.